hospital. Na you dey argue for poison. Okay, because she come say she no put poison, you come stamp her.
I come laugh I say na lie. So na wetin come make me and come
How
fight.
many place you stamp her?
Na for because she as she wan she bite me, no be say I chook am for her belle or na for back because she hold me for mouth, she hold my hand for mouth.
How many place?
Like 6 place.
6 place. That means you willing to kill her.
No.
A kí gbogbo ẹ̀yin olólùfẹ́ wa pé ẹ kú ìgbà gbogbo wa ní sọ ara wa lágbára Ọlọ́run ọba. Ṣé ẹ rí ọ̀pọ̀ ìgbà ni mo máa ń sọ wípé ká ṣọ́ra ṣe nípa ẹni tá a fọkàn tán tàbí tá a gbára lé, nítorí wípé ẹni agbójú okùn lé nígbà míì wọ́n ní kò jẹ́ ẹni àgbà. Ẹ máa gbọ́ ìfọ̀rọ̀wérọ̀ yìí ní ṣísẹ̀ntẹ̀lé, nítorí wípé ọ̀rọ̀ eléyìí tó ní ṣe pẹ̀lú ìfipábánilòpọ̀ ni, tó tún mú wípé ó tún fẹ́ gbẹ̀mí ọmọbìnrin náà eléyìí tó fipá bá lòpọ̀ gẹ́gẹ́ bí iṣẹ́ ìwádìí bó ṣe fẹsẹ̀ múlẹ̀. Ṣùgbọ́n nínú ọ̀rọ̀ tóun sọ ni wípé òun ti bá sọ̀rọ̀ ìfẹ́ tẹ́lẹ̀, kò jẹ́ òun ní o, kò dẹ̀ jẹ́ òun ní kò sọ o, kò dẹ̀ sọ ìkan òun kù. Gẹ́gẹ́ bó ṣe sọ lóun ti bá sọ̀rọ̀ ìfẹ́ tẹ́lẹ̀, ṣùgbọ́n kò sọ bẹ́ẹ̀ ni kò sọ bẹ́ẹ̀ kọ́. Ọ̀rẹ́ méjì ni wọ́n, ọ̀rẹ́ mẹ́ta ni wọ́n, ṣùgbọ́n méjì ló ń gbélé. Bá mi dúró ti ọ̀rẹ́bìnrin mi o, mò ń bọ̀ o, kí n yá lọ ṣe nǹkan. Ó ṣe wá di eléyìí tó jẹ́ wípé ó fi ń fipá bá ọ̀rẹ́bìnrin lò, ó sì fẹ́ gún un pa torí ó sọ wípé tóun bá wà lòun ó lè rojọ́, ṣùgbọ́n orí kó ọ̀dọ́bìnrin yìí lù yọ. Ní ṣísẹ̀ntẹ̀lé lẹ máa rí fọ́nrán yìí lálalẹ́ lágbára Ọlọ́run ọba. Mo bẹ̀ Ọlọ́run nínú àánú ẹ̀ kí láburú má ṣọ̀kan tèmi tí yín ibi tá a rú ewé tá a ta gbòǹgbòdé. Ó yẹ fìdílé ẹ̀kọ́ tàbí kẹ́ ẹ fìkọ́lé ìdíjọ́ kò jẹ́nu méjèèjì ẹjẹ́ àjọ gbọ́ ọ̀rọ̀ yìí kẹ́ ẹ wò. Ẹ máa sọ fáwọn ọmọ yín kí wọ́n ṣọ́ra ṣe lórí ẹni tí wọ́n fọkàn tán tàbí tí wọ́n gbéra lé, pàápàá àwa fúnra wa gan ẹni àfọkàntán tá a gbéra lé. Tó bá jẹ́ ìgbà àkọ́kọ́ rẹ̀ tẹ́ bọ́ sí ìkànnì yìí, ẹ subscribe sí ìkànnì, ẹ on notification button. Ẹ bá wa like, ẹ share, comment. Àjọṣepọ̀ wa la fi máa ṣe àṣeyọrí. Àṣeyọrí náà ni tiwa ní gbogbo ìgbà. Ẹ ṣé, ẹ kú ìfẹ́. What is your name?
Aminu. Aminu.
Speak up, please.
Aminu.
Aminu what?
Ahmed. Ahmed.
Mohammed. You are from which state?
Kano.
Kano. Where do you live in Ogun State here?
Ofikisheri.
Speak up, please.
Ofikisheri.
Opikisheri. For how many years have you been in Ogun State?
About 5 months.
5 months? Where were you before?
Kano.
Kano?
From Kano I live from Ogun State.
Ogun State. Now, for Ogun State, you just use 5 months back. What happened? What brought you to police station?
One of my friends, we were staying together. So, his girlfriend come from Kaduna. So, the day when he want come up go work, only me and the girl for house. He say, "Muna cook, my help her to cook, my help her to cook food together." Because the gas one we are using, the gas get problem. So as one I don fireboil the beans finish, I climb step go call her for up make she come cook.
Who you go call for up? Wife or husband?
No, he know dey she don comot.
The husband don comot?
Na the girl dey for house.
Yawa kada. The husband na your own friend. That one don comot. That one talk say make you help am stay with him wife cook.
He say make I help her cook together.
Okay, yeah.
So as one I go let her know say I don fireboil the beans make she come continue to cook. So as when she come down, I don put the pot on top gas. I tell her say so me I wan kill am up, I wan go up make she continue to cook. She say okay. So I leave her, I come down to carry water. I wan put water for pot. So I come saw her she putting poison inside the food.
Wetin you say she put?
Poison.
Poison?
Yeah.
What kind of poison do you see with her?
I see her with black something black thing poison.
Then how do you know that thing is poison?
Because you no get it for house.
No get that thing for house?
And na me put Maggi for myself. All pepper, something na me fit do the thing for.
Okay, shey you and the girl dey fight before?
Me I no know the game myself. I no know am.
You no know
I
am?
no know am
So
before.
you wish to say never get fight before ba?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, continue.
So as far as say I ask her wetin she cook, she just smile. She no talk anything. So I just give her. I can up go up. As once she finish the food,
Yeah, so say now.
as when she finish, I just dey wait ma see maybe whether she go chop the food. Ma know say no be poison she put. If na poison, she no go chop. If no be poison, she go eat. So the girl no gree eat food at all. So I come take small for my plate. I just go keep am. Me too, I no gree chop the food. So
Sorry, you put small for your plate.
um
Plate.
yeah,
Wetin you come do to that?
I just keep am. Me too, I
Okay.
no gree chop
Okay, food.
eat the food. Because I saw at the time when she has putting poison inside the pot.
Okay.
So after that one, I enter the room, me and her dey talk. We come talk finish. I ask her wetin she put for inside the food.
Food.
She just smile. I say make she talk true why she no gree eat the food, and I know say she never chop anything and she come from travel. So she just dey smile. She say nothing. I say na lie. Why the food come like the food don black myself, no be say the beans when she bring am black and white, that black and white beans, but no be the
The
beans
beans
make
don change colour for una eyes.
um
No change colour.
the food don change colour, but no be the beans
Wey you
make the
cook.
thing no be wetin make the food change colour. So I come me and her come dey argue, come start shout, e dey shout, I dey shout, e dey shout, I dey shout. So I come carry my hand beat am. She too come dey jam me.
You carry
So
wetin?
I carry my hand slap am.
Okay, you beat am.
um So I come me and her come dey jam body dey fight. She come bite me for my hand. She hold the hand. So na
Now
wetin
see the hand. She bite you
um
for dis place ba? Okay.
so na wetin make me carry dis thing screwdriver on top window. Come shook am for my body. So she come run go down shout, follow pipu come enter the house. Na wetin come happen be dat.
Okay, now there's this matter say you rape her. After you rape her, you stand her for back.
No be rape.
You know say she dey here, no lie o.
I no be rape, I no rape am na.
Wetin you do for am?
It's not a rape because me and her don talk. No be say
You don talk say you like am before ba?
no
Okay,
be
she
say
don
I
agree
go
ba?
no be say I go
Wetin
hold
jẹ́
am
wọ́n bọ̀?
dey rape am dey follow am rape am. No that I no
Oya,
rape am.
come down. Means be say you know say she be your friend wife.
No because im get girlfriend when she don get belle with him. So I no ever think say dis one na im
You
girlfriend.
talk am before say when your friend wan comot, you say make you stay with her girlfriend, make you help am cook. Na you talk am before now.
So dat one I no think say na girlfriend.
So as you come tell dis one before say you like am, you wan dey date am, she don say yes or no?
You know she has not said anything.
So now you come
She
see some
no
opportunity
gree.
to sleep with her ba?
um
Talk up, I no dey hear.
Yes.
You come use that opportunity sleep with her. Why you wan kill her after you sleep with her?
Na the poison wey I saw and she have put am and she invite me for my, na no be say I wan, na no be say I wan kill her. Na wetin she invite me for my hand, so na wetin make me carry screwdriver beat am with her.
Shey person wey you don talk before say you like, you wan dey date, you go sleep on top the person go still bite una? Answer that question yourself.
We come dey argue about the poison. Na wetin come me and her come
You
fight.
dey argue about
Poison wey I saw and she have put for inside the food.
poison.
Yeah.
Okay.
So na wetin
Shey
come
after you finish sleeping with her na you dey argue for poison or before?
as one I don sleep with her.
I no hear that thing wey you talk.
As one I don sleep with her.
After you sleep with her na you dey argue for poison. Okay. Because she come say she no put poison, you come stamp her.
I come slap her. I say na lie. So na wetin come make me and her come
How
fight.
many place you stamp her?
Na for because as she want she bite me, no be say I chook am for her belle o, na for back because she hold me for mouth, she hold my hand for mouth.
How many place?
Like 6 place.
6 place.
um
That means you're willing to kill her.
no,
So wetin you dey will to do for am?
because as once she invite me, she hold my hand for inside her mouth and blood dey comot, me too I dey shout, she no gree comot leave
Because you
my.
dey rape her now?
No, I no rape her na, the time no be
Shebi you
say I
sleep
dey.
with am?
No, it's not a rape, I no rape her now.
You sleep with person wey no gree. No be rape
No
be
be
that
say she
one.
no gree o.
If she gree, she go bite una for hand.
The time when we don finish that matter, I come meet her dey ask her wetin she put, why she no gree chop eat food. Na wetin come me and her come dey fight. No be.
This thing wey you do, wetin that kind act wey you wan call am now? I dey hear. Wetin you wan government do for una?
Wetin make me beat her na, no be say I wan kill her. As when she invite me for her, na wetin make me use that this thing beat her.
What's your name?
I mean,